everywhere. I love going on word hunts. Will you join me? Let's see what we can find. Aha! There's one. Milk. There's another one. Exit. Hey, there's another. That says stop. And play. Let's go join my friends.
Some signs have words on them, but other signs don't have any words. They have pictures or symbols instead. Tap all the signs with words on them.
Exit. Out of order. Come in, we're open.
Good work! Tap all the signs with words on them.
Come in, we're open. Out of order.
Great! Tap all the signs with words on them.
Out of order. Exit. Sorry, we're closed.
Great job! Tap all the signs with words on them.
Warning, beware of dog.
Awesome! Tap all the signs with words on them.
Warning, beware of dog. Sorry, we're closed.
Cool beans! Tap all the signs with words on them.
Warning, beware of dog. Come in, we're open.
Keep it up!